All right, for Ethereum today, the update is a little bit similar to Bitcoin. I had drawn yesterday a projected downward pointing wedge. However, the breakout has occurred ahead of the minimum 461. So what we can do right now is readjust and update the labels. So let's take a look at this. And basically this will be reset to align here. Like so. And I believe similar to Bitcoin, the 5 waves will be contained within this downward wedge. And I think this looks very nice the way it goes like this. Okay, this one goes here. And 2 goes over here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this downward wedge was a bit away from the apex, but still a breakout is a breakout. I believe Ethereum will follow Bitcoin regardless. And here we can also label the early onset of an impulse wave turning it around. And that can look like this. 1, so wave 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can move these wave 5, blue 5 here, and then wave C right here. Now, this is if the correction is complete. And I believe I stated in my morning Bitcoin analysis that there is a good probability for the Bitcoin minor correction to be complete. It does require a confirmation. So this is now the short-term perspective for Ethereum. We're very similar to Bitcoin, patterned out a downward pointing wedge, putting the 5 waves down, and it broke out in a sequence that looks so far to be an impulse. Here is a longer term. So do we have an ABC? Yes, we have the potential for that ABC. And you might say, oh, hey, but it didn't get to the 0.78 yet. It could. It still could and hit the 461. That has to be in the awareness. However, look where it bounced off. It bounced off of the lower trend line, the lower purple trend line. And the key thing here is if the price can move past the top purple trend line and continue upwards, that'll be the key indication that the correction completion is confirmed. So for now, the 0.618 has been pierced and reached down in between the 0.786 and 0.618. Is that acceptable? It's not the most ideal. I would like to see the 0.786, but if Bitcoin already hit the 0.786, went below it, has started turning, this baby is going to follow. And this too has a bull flag in progress. And 0.618 retracement is the golden ratio, the most common level of retracement too. Now here's this cluster of support. It bounced off right around there too. And the exciting thing here is if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 waves are subwaves to higher degree wave 1. The ABC are subwaves to higher degree wave 2. And we've got a 3 coming. So let me just draw that out 1 second. So we will have wave 1, ABC will be wave 2, and wave 3, 4, and 5. Let me just readjust these. That. This is why I'm getting very excited about 2018. So what I'm saying is, this is wave 1, the blue wave 1, and we are completing a blue wave 2. And if that blue wave 2 is complete, then blue wave 3 is next. And that is where we'll get some real serious excitement. Then 4 will retrace 38% of 3 approximately, which will be the 0.38 fib level. And then 5 should give us an all-time new highs. So if the correction is finished, we should expect wave 3 to onset. However, to get that confirmation, we need the price to break and breach past the top purple trend line of the bull flag and start impulsing. That'll be just beautiful. And I think that'll be quite likely. Okay? All right, so that is the long and the short of it. And I hope this was helpful. Again, this is the last week that crypto analysis will be presented on Steemit by me. All crypto analysis will be dedicated to the Bitcoin Live channel. Steemit will be dedicated for stocks, equities, options, and commodity analysis. For those of you who have not signed up for the early founders membership for the Bitcoin Live, please take a look at some of the links up in the beginning of my posts. For those of you who have, beginning tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday, you should be receiving emails as a confirmation and instructions on how to finalize your founders membership sign up. Have a great day.